everyone, this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today is part 2 of my hot air balloon. And like I told you all before, I tried the first time on how to do my hot air balloon, and I made a total mess of it. But like I told you in that video, I'm not going to give up. So I am determined to show you all how to make this hot air balloon. So first of all, if you want to try this, you will need your balloon pump, which I have right here. Okay, you will need a 24-inch balloon or either 36-inch balloons, and I bought these at Party City, and it came with 4 balloons in a pack. You will also need, the colors I'm using are purple, pink, and I may use some white and yellow, but I got all of these from Party City, and these are purple balloons, and they're 72 12-inch balloons. All right, I have some that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. These are white balloons. And I have 2 packs of yellow balloons. And I may use some of these rose gold Qualitex balloons. I'm not completely sure yet, but these are 5 inches. All right. I'm going to be using some of my fishing line just to hold my, once I blow up my 24-inch balloon, to hold it so that I can add my other balloons around it. All right. You will need some, I'm going to be using glue dots, as well as I'm going to use my low temperature hot glue gun again. Now this is a different one. This is the one that I was actually looking for when I did the first one, but I couldn't find it, so I used the other one. But this is the one I'm going to be using, and I only have 1 glue stick for it, so that's why I added my glue dots in, because I'll probably be using these also. Alright, so let's get started blowing up the balloons. So I'm going to start blowing up this 24-inch balloon. As you've seen on the other video clip that I put on, this is the 24-inch balloon that I'm going to be adding the other balloons to. All right, and as you see, I have my helpers here, my girls, and all you have to do is just, take the balloon and just tie it just like this around your finger and pull it through just like so, and there's your balloon. All right. So all right, and let me show you how to blow the balloons. All right, let me show you again. Hold on 1 second. All right, let me show you. Okay, this is how you know if you have too much air in your balloons. You will see this cone shape right here, as you see in this balloon. Which that's not what you're supposed to see. It actually is supposed to be a round shape. So all you have to do, if you do add too much air into your balloon, just let out a little air, okay, and press it into your hand or onto the floor, okay, as you releasing the air, all right, and it's supposed to be just round, okay, just like this. All right, a round shape instead of a cone shape. And all you have to do is just take it and just tie it up. All right? All right, so let's keep going. Yeah, you don't have to blow them up so big. I did that one. scissors. I didn't mention that. But you'll need your scissors in order to cut your balloon string when you're hanging up your 24-inch balloon. And also to cut any balloons that you need to open up, okay?
And that's how you make a balloon.
Alright, and these are the yellow balloons that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and they're very pretty. We're going to see how long they will last. Alright, so another color that I decided to add is this beautiful color here. And it's the marble balloons, and I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. And when you take them out, I got actually 2 packs. I got another. There's one with different colors in it. But as you blow them up, they will look like this. All right?
Oops. I didn't know.
Sorry, my daughter threw that balloon in front of the camera. All right, so they will look like this, and I'm going to be adding these to the hot air balloon also to give it that beautiful marble color. I love these kind of balloons, so I got these from the Dollar Tree. All right, so I'm going to blow one up for you so that you can see it, and this is it. All right, this is the way it looks, fully blown up. Now I'm going to let some air out of it so that I can put it on my balloon arch. My hot air balloon. Alright, this is the way it looks. It's in that perfect circle.
Girls are so
Alright, so I'm using these pink 5-inch balloons. In order to blow up your 5-inch balloons, I have this balloon pump. And I got this one. I didn't have this one from last year when I made my balloon arch that I made for my twins as well as my oldest daughter's birthday party. And I will be linking those videos in the card section just in case you didn't see those. But I purchased it from the Dollar Tree. And you can purchase it from the Dollar Tree, Amazon, anywhere that sells these. And they're just a regular hand balloon pump. Alright, so all you have to do is just take your balloon, just place it on there just like this. Alright. And just pump it up. Alright, and this is just the same way. You'll know if you get too much air if you have that cone shape. So just release some air, press it down, and tie it up. Alright? So that's for the 5-inch balloons. And some people use it for the other balloons also. But since I have my electric balloon pump, I just use this for my bigger balloons. But I use this for the small ones. Okay? And again, all you have to do is just like this. And just pump it up. Alright, pretty easy. Let air out, press it down, tie it up, and you're ready to go. Okay. Alright, so as you've seen, I blew up my 24-inch balloon. And what I'm going to be doing, as you've seen in my attempt 1 in my first video, I had it on my big arch. And so this time I'm going to be using this little thing that my husband and I have in our room to put our clothes on. And I have already cut off my fishing line, and I'm just going to attach it to the top of this balloon here just so it will hold while I am adding the other balloons, okay? Alright, so I'm just going to take this, and this is the only thing that I have, so I'm going to work with it as much as possible. To my 24-inch balloon, and I'm going to start out about right in this area here, just adding my balloons, okay? So just take it and hold it until it dries. And you can also pair your balloons if you want to do that. I did that in the first video, but this time I'm just going to do a single one. Alright, and that's how it is. Give me one of those. my high temperature glue gun, as you see. I'm just going to add a little bit right in this area. Gotta put another glue stick in. Alright, and I'm going to take it and just add it right here beside this one. And just hold it. And remember, you can always use glue dots too. So I may be using some of those after a while. Okay. Alright, so this balloon here, I want it to be close to this one. So all I did was added a glue dot right here, and I'm just going to take it and connect it so that they will be close together. Alright. And as you see, as you push them together, it's connected, and that's how I want it to be. Alright, and this one is pretty good, and this one is pretty good. So when they come apart like that, they spread out. You can either use your 5-inch balloons to, at the end, you can go back and add your 5-inch balloons to cover everything. But I just added a glue dot here just to do that, and I will be adding 5-inch balloons later on. Alright, so this is how it should look, and I'm going to go ahead and finish up. And I will come back when I get started on the top and the bottom just to let you see how I do that. Alright everyone, so as you see, I have almost finished. That's the top, if you can see the top there. And this is all the sides and everything that I have done. Alright. I'm going to let you get a good look. Right there. And I just have to go and fill in these little spaces right here, as you see, with the 5-inch balloons. Just gonna fill those in. I've already put one there, and I put one there. As you see, it's some hair here, but I have something to get that. Balloons are dirty anyway, so I just need to clean that off. And I just have this space right here underneath that I need to do. And these are the balloons that I still have left over that I did blow up. So I'm going to see if I can finish this balloon, hot air balloon up the bottom part with these balloons that I have blown up without having to blow any more. So I will be back to show you the finished result. Alright, so when I told you all that you all needed a box for this, this is the box that I have. And all I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this tablecloth that I had from my twins' Candyland birthday party that I did for them last year. And I'm just going to wrap this box around with this. But you can use, if you have like wrapping paper or anything that you have, you can use whatever you have. This is what I had. And I wasn't going to go out and buy anything new, so this is what I'm using. And I also have these broomsticks here that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take off this part here. And all I'm going to be using is the stick part. Alright, and you can use maybe wooden dowels or anything that you may have, but this is pretty good to use. I'm not going to spray paint them or anything. I'm just going to use them as is. And all you're going to do is just put each one of them in the corner. So I'm going to put one here, one there, one here, and one here. Alright, so let me show you. Okay, so I'm going to put one here. One in this corner. Right, and I have one more that I will be putting in this last corner over here, right here. Alright, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go ahead and attach this tablecloth to this, but I just wanted to show you how I'm going to be using these, okay? So what I'm going to be using is this tape, because I don't want this to be permanent, because I will be reusing my tablecloth here, I'm sure. So I'm just going to take this and kind of just wrap it around here. And it may not go all the way around, but I'm just giving you all an idea of how it should look once you put it in here. Okay. It's not enough to go all the way around, but you know how to do it once you get your wrapping paper to go in here, okay? Alright, so just take a stick, put it in this corner. Alright everyone, so I am done with my hot air balloon, and this is how it looks. I feel that I did a really good job for my first time, and as you see, I had to add another box over in this box, but you know, you can add whatever you want to around it. Like I said, wrapping paper would be great. I think this box is maybe a little too big for my hot air balloon, but if you're doing this for someone, you know that you are to get the everything, the exact measurements, and get it right. All right, but here is my balloons, and I should have added something right there. All right, but overall, I feel that I did an awesome job. Let me show you the back of it. All right. Just a few spots I could have added more into. All right, so I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video on how to make a hot air balloon, and this is part 2. Like I said, my part 1, I burned my arm with my hot glue and everything, but you can just go in there and see the video, and I was just talking about it and showing it to you. And this is my second attempt at it. Like I said before, don't quit if you have a passion for something, and just go for it. You know, go for it and just keep trying, keep practicing, because practice does make perfect. And you know, a lot of times you get down and feel like that you're not gonna do it, or you know, you see other people doing different balloon designs and event decor. And if that's your passion and you know God has called you to do that, just go ahead and do it. You know, I heard once that nothing beats a failure but a try. You have to try. All right. So this is what I've done. I'm proud of my work. And I'm just going to continue to practice and practice. And I hope that you all have a great day. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Ieasha family, where you will see event decor, home decor, balloon designs, and family fun. All right, I will see y'all in my next video.